There you go. Bro, stop. This is Pebble.
Tabo?
Pebble.
Pebble, nagdi-dribble, nagdi-dribble. Oh, ito ba si
Pebble. This is Pebble.
Pebble. Pati sa pronunciation, ano nga pa eh.
Close na yan. Hindi naman nakatindot yan.
Oo nga, wala ma-record. Ano kaya yun? Ano pala ito? Shoutout kay Arjo. Tsaka Steve, may sakit. Shoutout.
Tuwan-tuwa ang bata, magpakdo na natuloy din na. Bayad ay mountain.
Okay. No more bloopers this time. Wala ko cut the video. Never mind.
Pebble.
Pebble. Pebble. You can see my forehead. Okay, I think this is a bad idea of recording here.
Why?